There's one proven technique that will help you to identify the trend reversal on gold easily, applying smart money concepts. In this video, we'll discuss the traps, the inducement, and I will explain to you how a simple price action will help you to make even better predictions trading with SMC. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. And first, let's go through the important theory. Imagine that we have a strong structure resistance. Analyzing how the price reacted to that structure in the past, we can derive that with a very high probability the price will drop from that resistance one more time. Because of that, many retail traders start placing their selling orders around that resistance. Once they place their selling orders on that resistance, obviously they set their stop losses above that resistance. With the inducement, smart money violate that resistance and stop out the sellers. When the retail traders see the violation of that resistance, they assume that it is the structure breakout, and then retail traders start buying, and then for some unknown reason the market starts falling, stopping out the buyers. So with the inducement, smart money are grabbing the liquidity. They make the buyers and the sellers close their positions in loss. Learn how to trade gold in my premium group. Watch how I trade gold live. Watch how I analyze gold live. For more info, check the link in the description below. After the retail sellers and the retail buyers are stopped out, the market tends to keep falling, and such an event is called a bullish trap. And now let's analyze gold chart. Gold chart daily time frame. And here is our resistance based on the previous all-time high. And I guess you can imagine how many retail traders were selling the market from that resistance. Obviously, many traders were expecting a bearish reaction to that resistance. But instead, we saw a bullish violation, and all the sellers who were selling from here are now stopped out. Obviously, according to the rules, the broken structure turned into support, and now buyers are placing their buying orders from here. I can imagine how many people are now expecting a bullish continuation from that structure. And the thing is, traders, that violation right here can easily be manipulation. It can easily be a trap. And for you, the best strategy to identify the trap is to follow the plan. You should let the price test that structure, and your bearish signal, your bearish confirmation, your signal that that entire bullish movement is the trap will be a bearish violation of that support. If a daily candle closes below that, it will confirm that here we simply got the inducement, the trap. And for you, it will be a perfect opportunity to catch a strong bearish movement. If we close below that green area on a daily, we will expect a bearish movement at least to that horizontal support, so you can have a very nice profit potential. One more important thing that makes me bearish on gold is the intraday price action. Here's what is happening with the market after the breakout of the all-time high. On a 4-hour time frame, we see a very bearish pattern. We see a bearish accumulation. We can spot that here the price set equal lows. You can see that here we have multiple equal lows, and at the same time you can see that we keep setting lower highs. We have a very perfect descending triangle formation. Such a pattern is a very important warning sign. It signifies that selling volumes are accumulating, and it increases the probabilities that that entire bullish violation is just a manipulation. And of course, traders, because of the current geopolitical situation, the market may easily resume growth. But with our plan, we can treat both a bullish and a bearish scenario. For us, a confirmed bearish scenario will be violation of that daily support, and the daily candle closes below that. That will be our signal to short. But if we see some escalations in Middle East or some other very pessimistic news, bullish violation of that trend line on the 4-hour time frame can give us a local bullish signal. However, personally, I truly believe that the market is too overheated and definitely we need a correction. Probably we will set new highs again this year, but now we need a correction. So I would recommend sticking to a bearish scenario. Follow our plan and try to catch a coming bearish reversal on gold. Let me know traders in the comment section if you have any questions. Also traders, if you want to learn how to trade, please check my premium group, the link in the description below. Also, if you're interested in gold trading, I created a separate playlist with gold trading lessons. Please do not forget to check that as well.